Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a schedule, like a stream schedule command for your Discord bot using Discord Bot Maker. You can use it for anything. You can use it for like a timetable, but I'm going to use it as a stream command in this video. So we're going to do this. First of all, you'd want to make a button. Make it persistent, so even if the bot goes offline, you could then have it turned back on. It's going to be named. I'll make it red, but you can make it any color. I'll just put it green actually. Right, now we got that sorted. We need to go to here. And then instead of putting the days a week, I'm just going to put day 1, day 2, and then all the way down to day 7. Right, now that we've done all that, we need to go back to the send message button. Then here we're going to put, for the title, we're going to put this. And then we're going to put day 1. So now all we have to really do is this. And then just change all the date over to the correct one. Then we're going to do Control S and Control R. Sorry if you could hear my sorry if you could hear my keyboard then. Right, so we're just going to name it test 1, test 2, test 3. There we go. Now we should be able to do that. Not sure why I've done that. I'll have a quick look at why it's done that. I think it might be because it's under, yeah, so right, let's just add this in again. It's going to be the title here, then all that. And it should work this time because I had this problem. I had this problem with my other bot. There we go. Yep, so for it to work, you have to have it set as multi anyone can use. Otherwise, for some reason it just doesn't work. I'll try and figure out why it doesn't work. And then once I figure it out, I'll post a update video of why it's not working. Give me a second. And then another video I make soon is going to be showing you how to make a ticket command. I'll show you. Oh wait, no, yeah, you can't do that, right? That's fine. I was going to show you how to make a text command, but it's not going to work with this. But that's is going to be the end of the video for Discord bot maker today. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos of Discord bot maker in the future. I've got multiple bots. This is one of my bots is public. It has over 4,000 people using it in this in 30 different servers. If you'd like to use it, it's going to be the first link, my second link in the description. If you need any support, that'll be the first link in the description. Other than that, I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Peace out.